What is going on here?
Where's one?
What's wrong now?
Same as always. Look! Empty again.
So what are you gonna do about it?
I don't know anymore.
Why don't you just work on a new recipe?
What's the point? I haven't had a customer in years.
Whoa.
Away with you! Can't you see that I'm self-loathing here?
Sorry, I just wanted a chumstick.
What?
Yes, I'd like one of your chumsticks.
You're kidding, right?
No, I'm serious. I want a chumstick.
Okay, if you insist. Oh no, please don't sue me. I can't believe someone actually enjoys my chum.
Now, this was so good, I'm gonna have to come back tomorrow. Here you go. See you in the morning.
Did you see that? I didn't even have to threaten his life. He loved it.
How'd you pull that off?
Well, it's simple. Finally, someone came in who has good taste. And he's coming back tomorrow. Excuse me, Karen, but I gotta whip up some more. Now I wait. I wait until he returns.
Inky, huh?
I wait. I wait. I wait. Wait.
8 hours later.
Nat, hello? Huh? What? It's closing time. I should have known it was too good to be true.
Hey,
Well, hello, Nat.
I came back like I said yesterday.
You certainly did, didn't you?
I'd like another chumstick, please.
Well, it's your lucky day, Nat. I happen to have a quite delectable one right here.
Oh,
Inky, ink. The customer loves chum.
Is it okay?
okay? It's perfection! Hey, how about I have another?
You betcha.
Boy, I cannot believe how good these things are.
Well, you know.
All right, see you tomorrow.
What? You're coming back again?
Oh, you know it. And the day after that, and the next week after that. You've got a regular customer on your hands.
Oh my, this is amazing. At last I've got
This can't be good. Inky, ink.
Rolling, body keeps on rolling.
Executive Ice Ink. The customer loves
One more time.
that food. Chum.
No way, Plankton. You're not getting me formula this time or anytime. Don't bother. There's no need. What are you talking about? I'm just saying I no longer need to copy you, Krabs. I've got my own winning recipe now. You're really funny, man. You think you can compete with me? Plankton, look at all these loyal customers. Loyal to me, Plankton, not to you.
Hey, Plankton, can I get another one of your delicious chumsticks?
But of course, loyal customer. I'll see you later, loser. Much later.
We got to do something.
How can this be? Boy, front and center.
Yes, sir!
Plankton's trying to overthrow me business. He's got a customer that actually likes his food.
I saw.
Back on our side.
Inky, ink. The real Executive Ice Oak.
You can count on me.
Thank me.
Pardon me, you smart fellow. Down here. Why settle for Plankton's lumpy chum when you can enjoy a steaming Krabby Patty for free?
No thanks.
Can't you get a load of this guy?
There he is. Just in time for breakfast.
Ow, don't open it. Slipping this whack. Inky.
Nothing happens to this Krabby Patty while I step carefully over this rock here. Oh no! Too late! No! No!
Oops.
Oops.
Oops. Oh, come on!
Oops. Oh, come on, Matt. Just one sit down. I see you're not hungry right now, but I'm telling you, that Krabby Patty is gonna make a great snack later.
Yeah, do me a favor.
My feathers.
Now on, keep those shabby patties to yourself.
Oh, fish patty.
Scratch off.
Cat, back already? That's the 5th time today. Not that I'm surprised. Karen, babe, fetch Nat another plate of that sweet chum.
Yes, your diminutiveness.
Say, Nat, do you have any friends?
No?
Would you hurry up with that chum, Karen?
Yeah. Keep your tiny pants on, Plankton. Bleep bloop. There's your chomp. Bleep blap blop.
Hey,
Meh,
this
meh.
doesn't look like chum.
And that doesn't look like
What's
Nat.
wrong with you? I'm a robot chicken.
Ridiculous, my husband. Bleep blap. Of course it's me.
What have you done with Karen, you brute?
How many times do I have to tell you? I don't want to eat your trash! So forget it. I don't want to eat anything else.
So you're saying that you love chum? And all that you ever eat is chum?
Yeah, that's right.
Interesting.
I'll leave.
A shortcut to the chum bucket. That must be for me.
Surprise!
Welcome, valued customer.
This isn't the chum bucket.
Oh, why go to the chum bucket when the Krusty Krab has added tasty chum to our menu?
That's okay. I only eat chum bucket brand chum.
But we've developed a special recipe for the most discerning chum lovers. Besides, I locked all the exits until you give it a try. So what do you say?
Do you like that?
You like it?
It's
Yeah?
it's
Well, what do you think?
it's the second foulest thing I've ever tasted. I'm going back to Plankton's chum.
What am I gonna do? I can't let Plankton have so much as one single customer. I just can't afford it.
I guess you'll have to make chum that's as good as Plankton's.
But to do that, I need to know how Plankton makes his chum. That's it for you.
Are you sure we're gonna undercover Inky Ink?
Where can it be? There. Plankton's secret formula. It's gotta be in here. What do you think, Krabs, baby? This time I caught you trying to steal my secret formula. Ironic, isn't it? Unfortunately, I have no way of knowing. You see, crabs are not born with an innate inkling of irony. Ouch. Double irony.
Oh, irony, Plankton. Don't you nab crabs trying to steal your formula. I'm still here to foil your evil plans. So, it's like a dollop of irony on top of an ironic twist. I mean, just think about that. You know, in a weird way, it's like we
Wait,
never
what?
left the...
Not again.
Good thing I sprang for the dual spoon installation.
Call it a computer's intuition, but I sense your regular approaching with an unusually large wad of cash.
Look at all that loot! That's right, Krabs. You're gonna have to keep looking when my customer comes in and pays me for my chum. Oh, just put me out of me misery. Back for more of my delicious chum, I see.
Not this time.
Huh?
Not ever again. The deal's off, computer. I can't eat another bite of that slop, no matter how much you pay me.
Huh?
I have eaten 10 of those things, and I've already had to go to the doctor. Twice.
Oh. Oh.
See?
If you need me, I'll be getting my stomach pumped again. What's the deal, Karen? have known. Why would anyone ever eat my...
See what I mean?
Yeah, there he goes again. Cut it out, Plankton.
What? It's just obvious that I'm a complete failure and a waste of a lower life form. Oh, woe is me.
Quickly, now is the time to beat a hasty retreat.
What?
I don't get it.